morning, everyone. Welcome to my, well, I don't really have a front yard. It's just kind of a front space. Look, guys. The flakes are so big. Hold on, let me go get Bulker's house here because it's dark. Here's Bulker and Linda's place. The flakes are as huge as my hands. I've only ever seen this with thunder snow, and I haven't heard any thunder. Oh my God, this is great. This is little community. Oh, I'm sorry. Little community I live in. This is the main road, and this road I live on. Post office over here. We have the bank, Bulker, the one that has the darker brick home right there. He's the manager. This is awesome. This is just amazing. I'm going straight up. Oh, wow, that fell right in my eye. When's the last time you got to look at something like that? That's nuts. That's nuts. This is awesome. Hi, good morning. This is awesome. They're so big. Oh, I've only ever seen that in thunder snow, and I haven't heard any thunder. Don't give Mother Nature any ideas. This is just amazing. There it goes through my backyard, and the neighbor's backyard, and all of our damn maple trees. Thank you, good Lord Jesus. They're beautiful maple trees. But oh, when you own a telescope, they're not your friend. This is crazy. This is amazing. I'm having a blast. All right, I'm gonna let you guys off the hook. I'm going for a walk. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe and God bless you all. Hold up. Let's see. Well, I thought we had the flag right here, but oh well. We had one hanging down there. God bless everybody. Have a great day.